Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Insta Magnifor Effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and click New Project. Add the video that you want to edit, this one. Click Add at the bottom. Now I wanna add Insta Magnifor Effect. This is the newest template on CapCut. So just click on the effect at the bottom, click video effect, and at the menu you can click on basic and swipe down until you can see Insta Magnifor Effect, this one. Click on it and click on it and click check icon. Now set the effect until the end of the video. Now I wanna adjust this effect, so if you wanna adjust this effects, click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the size for the frame like this. You can adjust for the intensity. You can adjust for vertical shift. And then you can adjust for horizontal shift. And last, you can adjust the wallpaper to a blur like this. And then now click check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that's how to add Insta Magnifor Effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.